Hi guys, and today we are discuss about different kinds of animal hormones. And in previous lesson we are already discussed about the pituitary gland, thyroid gland and parathyroid gland. And today we want to discuss about pancreas, adrenal gland and reproductive gland and thymus glands. And first, pancreas structure. Pancreas is an elongated lengthiயாக இருக்கும் and yellowish gland, that is yellowish color, and it is situated in the loop of stomach and duodenum. So this is duodenum. இந்த டியோடினத்தோட லூப்லேயே இது இருக்கும். And this is the only gland, it acts as exocrine and endocrine gland. ஸோ இந்த ஒரே ஒரு கிளாண்டில் தான் எண்டோக்ரைன் பார்ட்டும் இருக்கும், எக்ஸோக்ரைன் பார்ட்டும் இருக்கும். And the hormone secreted in exocrine pancreas, it secretes the pancreatic juice that involved in the digestion. And the endocrine pancreas, the endocrine portion is made up of islet of Langerhans, and it consists of two type of cells. One is alpha cells, another one is beta cells. Alpha cells secrete glucagon and the beta cells secrete insulin, and both are involved in the carbohydrate metabolism. First, insulin. It helps in the conversion of glucose into glycogen in the liver and skeletal muscles. சாப்பிட்ட பிறகு நம்ம ஒவ்வொரு சாப்பாடு சாப்பிட்ட பிறகு பார்த்திங்கன்னா நம்மளோட டைஜஷன் ஸ்டார்ட் ஆகும். டைஜஷன் ஸ்டார்ட் ஆன பிறகு பார்த்திங்கன்னா நம்ம உடம்புல எக்ஸஸாக குளுக்கோஸ் வந்து ஃபார்ம் ஆகி பிளட்டில் சேரும். ஸோ 80 to 120 தான் இருக்கணும் நார்மல் பிளட் குளுக்கோஸ் லெவல். ஆனால் அது 120க்கு மேலே போச்சுன்னா இந்த இன்சுலின் செக்ரீட் ஆகி the excess glucose is converted into glycogen and it is stored into liver and skeletal muscles. It promotes the transport of glucose into the cell. It decreases the concentration of glucose in blood. That is the function of insulin. And next, glucagon. இன்சுலினுக்கு அப்படியே ஆப்போசிட்டான வேலை செய்யும். It helps in the breakdown of glycogen into glucose in the liver and skeletal muscles. It increases the blood glucose level. And next gland is adrenal gland. So the adrenal gland are located above the each kidney, that is top of the kidney. The kidney க்கு மேலே இருக்கிற gland தான் adrenal gland. And it also called as suprarenal gland. The adrenal gland is also called as suprarenal gland. It consists of two distinct parts which are structurally and functionally different. The outer part is adrenal cortex and the inner part is adrenal medulla. This is outer part cortex and this is inner part adrenal medulla. That is hormone secreted in the adrenal gland. First, hormone of adrenal cortex. The cortex secrete the hormone is called corticosteroids. There are classified into two types. One is glucocorticoids and mineralocorticoids. Hormones of adrenal medulla. The medulla secrete the hormone is called emergency hormone. It include epinephrine or adrenaline, norepinephrine or noradrenaline. So it is situated or it is produced during the condition of stress and emotion, that is during the emergency situation. Hence also referred as flight, fright and fight hormone. And functions of glucocorticoids and mineralocorticoids. The glucocorticoids is secreted by the zona fasciculata, the three layers, அதில் ஒரு layer, or cortisol and corticosterone, and they regulate the cell metabolism. It stimulates the formation of glucose and glycogen in the liver. It is an anti-inflammatory and anti-allergic agent. And next, mineralocorticoids. It's secreted by zona granulosa and aldosterone. It helps in the absorb of sodium ion from the renal tube, that is kidney, and it increase the excretion of potassium ions. And next, function of adrenal medulla hormones, that is epinephrine, adrenaline, and norepinephrine, noradrenaline. So first, epinephrine or adrenaline glands. It promotes the conversion of glycogen to glucose in the liver and muscles. It increases the heartbeat of blood pressure. It increases the rate of respiration, dilation of bronchi and trachea. It causes the dilation of pupil in eye. It decreases the blood flow through the skin. And norepinephrine, most of its action are similar to the epinephrine. It regulates the electrolytic balance, body fluid volume, osmotic pressure, and blood pressure. Next, reproductive gland. First, male reproductive gland, testis. These are the reproductive gland of male. It consists of seminiferous tubules, Leydig cells, and Sertoli cells. The Leydig cells are the endocrine part of the testis, and the secreting hormone is testosterone. And next, functions of testosterone. It influences the process of spermatogenesis. Spermatogenesis means the process, the formation of sperm. It stimulates the protein synthesis and control the muscular growth. Protein synthesis promote பண்ணும், muscles development help பண்ணும். It is responsible for the development of secondary sexual characters, that is distribution of hair on body and face. முகத்தில் தாடி மீசெல்லாம் வளர்கிறதுக்கு ஹெல்ப் பண்ணும். அண்ட் டீப் வாய்ஸ் பேட்டர்ன், ஆண்களுக்கே உரிய வாய்ஸ் பேட்டர்னை இது கொடுக்கும். நெக்ஸ்ட், female hormones. The ovaries are the female gonads in the abdominal pelvis cavity. Next, hormones secreted in the ovary. They secrete two female sex hormones. Male ku pathina only one sex hormone, testosterone, but female it has two sex hormones, estrogen and progesterone. Estrogen is produced by the Grampian follicle cells of the ovary, and progesterone it is produced in the corpus luteum. The corpus luteum is formed during the ovulation in the ovary from the ruptured follicles. And the function of estrogen and progesterone. First, the function of estrogen. It is responsible for the changes that occurs during the puberty. Puberty period la changes ku காரணமாக இருக்கும். It initiates the oogenesis process. Oogenesis means that is egg formation process. It stimulates the ovarian follicles maturation in the ovary. It causes the secondary sexual character development, that is breast development and high pitch voice, etc. And progesterone, it is responsible for the uterine premenstrual changes. It prepares the uterus for the implantation of the embryo. It maintains the pregnancy. It is essential for the formation of placenta. Placenta என்றது பார்த்தீங்கன்னா தாய் சேய் அந்த இணைப்பு கொடி. Next, thymus gland. It is the present the top of the chest and that cover the lower end of the trachea. The thymus is partly endocrine gland and partly lymphoid gland. And hormones and function of thymus gland. The thymus secrete the hormone is thymosin. It's very important one. And the function of thymosin. Thymosin has stimulatory effect on the immune function. Immune function, நோய் எதிர்ப்பு சக்திக்கு ஹெல்ப் பண்ணும். And it stimulate the lymphocyte development and differentiation. lymphocyte cells developmentக்கும் அது differentiationக்கும் ஹெல்ப் பண்ணும்.